Today we are going to be making slime. All the ingredients you will need is glue, food coloring, 1 tablespoon, 2 bowls and a spoon, and borax. So, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you will do is you put water in the bowl, like that. And you only put a little bit because if you put too much, then the slime won't turn out. And then you grab your borax, and then you put 1 tablespoon of borax. Maybe fill it up a little bit, halfway kinda, like that. And then you would pour it into the water, and then like that, if you could see. And then you have to stir it until it looks grayish. So I will be back. Okay, and when you're done with that, it should look gray in your bowl, and you gotta wait until the borax dissolves. And when you're doing that, when you're waiting for that, you grab your second bowl, you open the glue, and then you just pour the glue in there. I guess you could pour half of the glue, or if you want a lot, then just pour all of it, but I'm just gonna pour half, just a little, because I don't want a lot, because I'm probably gonna make some tomorrow or something. And then when you do that, it should be glue in there, and then you need to stir your glue, but then you would stir it, and then you would have to put a little bit of water at a time. So I will be right back. Okay, so you're gonna wanna pour the water in there slowly. So just grab some. Don't pour all the water in there, because if you do, then it won't turn out the way you want it. And then you just keep stirring it until it looks kind of watery. And then when you're done with that, wipe your spoon off, of course. Then you're gonna have to pour your food coloring in. Maybe I got red, green, and yellow. I'm gonna do red. So you would have to pour the food coloring into the glue, but only pour a little if you're doing a little, like 2 drops or 3 if you're doing half of the bottle, half of your glue. But if you're doing the whole glue bottle, then you might want to put 8 drops in there, and then you would just stir that up until it looks like that, and just keep stirring it. And then it'll look kind of lumpy and watery, but then you just keep stirring it until it looks nice. And then if it don't turn out the color you want, just add more food coloring. So I'm adding 4 more drops, and it should be turning red soon. You just stir and stir, and then when you want the color I'm doing that one, then I'm gonna pour 1 more drop. Okay, and I'm just gonna stir it like that, and then it's gonna be like hot pink kinda. And then when you're done with that, you wipe the spoon off again, and then you're gonna pour. You got your glue and food coloring and water. Then you're gonna wanna pour your borax in there very slowly, and then just stir it as you're going. Alright, so I poured some of my borax in there, and it's gonna get clumpy really quick. It's gonna get like that. But then you just wanna keep stirring it, because when you keep stirring it, it's gonna look weird at first, but then it'll just get unclumpy. And then you want to keep doing that until it looks like it's done. And then you're just going to keep stirring and stirring and stirring. And then when you're done with that, you're just going to pick it up. You're going to want to pick it up, and then you're going to have to start like moving it around and stuff. So I'll be right back. So now I got that done. So it's going to turn out like this, but then you're just going to want to keep pulling it apart and flipping it and then stretching it and stuff, and keep doing that. And then when you're all done, it'll be slime. So then you just keep moving it and keep doing like that, and then it'll turn out like this. And then I'll get all stretchy, because I didn't do a lot, I only did a little. So that's how it will be. And my advice is, when you're doing this, you might want to keep a towel, because your hands will get really dirty. Like, there's a bunch of dirty stuff in here. So you're going to want to keep it next to you. And then if you have more glue and you did half of it, and then you still have a lot of borax like I do, I have a lot, so you could save it for tomorrow and do it like that, and then it'll just turn out like this. Some it will break, but you're just gonna have to keep turning it and twisting it, and then it'll just turn out like slime. So I'll be right back with you. So I am back, and I just kept mixing it, and I added a little bit more of the food coloring, because I didn't want it hot pink, I wanted it red kinda. So it looks reddish but pinkish, I guess. And then I added some more of the borax, but I only added a little bit, because if you add too much, then it'll just come out as a blob and it won't really work. And me and my sister made other slime, but we didn't post it on YouTube. And then here, it will turn out like this. It'll be slime. And then you could just like put your hand in it, like that, and then it'll just turn out like slime. Some of it will break and stuff, but then you just could do that. And the other slime me and my sister made, we made a lot. This one looks like boogers. It's like green. Here, I'll show you. And we put glitter in some of them, but I didn't put glitter in that one. See, hers is like lumpy, because she added too much food coloring, and then she put too much borax in there. So, but hers turned out pretty good. That's hers. This is mine that I made just earlier. It's green, and it's fun to play with. And then I made this purple slime, which is also glittery. The glitter I put in there is blue, and then I put it in hot pink. So mine turned out like this. That's how it would turn out usually. Then I would just go like that. So yeah, that's how you make slime. I hope you guys try this one day. Bye. Make more videos. Go check them out.